it's your girl Nurse B and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I will be reviewing Genius Wigs. I've been seeing this wig all over my YouTube timeline and I had to get my hands on it. So let's begin. In the box you will receive two wig caps. One is on my head. You'll also receive two different types of elastic band, one with the hook and the other standard elastic band. And here is the wig. I got the 10-inch Rihanna curly bob. It's a 13x6 deep parting HD transparent wig, and it's 180 density. Inside, it has 5 combs. Don't mind the dye. I did color and I did dye the hair. There is 2 on the side, 1 in the center, and also 2 in the back. It also has a regular elastic band that is attached to the wig, which you can just like adjust it according to how you want your wig to stay. And that's what I use. I didn't use any of the elastic bands, and I felt like my wig was secure. So this is the wig after I washed and colored it. So technically it was back to its natural state and the curls were amazing. They were popping, and this is after being air dried overnight. So the quality of the hair does look good. Wig does come pre-pluck, so you don't really have to pluck it, but if you do want to go in and customize it, you should. I did not. I did lay my wig down using Grad hairspray. I didn't use any like Gold Spawn glue or anything like that. And look at the hair! I can't wait for the final product. Right now, I'm just getting my water bottle. There are no products. I didn't use any conditioner to just spray the hair. And this part is going to be repetitive, so I'm just going to speed this part up. But honestly, it's just spray, brush, until I get the final product. Oh my goodness, look at those curls. Oh my goodness. And mind you, it is just water. That's it. Just water. Nothing else. No additional products in the hair. Just plain old water. Wow, look at these curls. Look at how shiny and healthy the hair looks. Overall, I would rate this hair a 10 out of 10. Look at those curls. Customer service was top notch. The quality of the hair is amazing, as you can see. And a little goes a long way with this hair. All you need to do is just wash your hair as soon as you receive it, let it air dry, and honestly, just water. That's all you need, and you get these amazing curls. So, would I recommend this hair? Yes, I would recommend this hair, especially to first timers. Look at this lace. What lace? Look at it. And mind you, I used no concealer or foundation to cover the lace. I felt like I didn't need it, and as you can see, the hair looks extremely real. I don't need anything. If you're looking for affordable hair in your first timer and just getting into, customizing your own wigs, this is the company. Genius Wigs, hands down. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Until next time, it's your girl Nurse B. Bye.